Protecting your raw Indian hair extensions when swimming is super easy. Before I get started, please make sure that you are subscribed to Juicy Hair Affair on YouTube, following us on Instagram at Juicy Hair Affair, and subscribe to our mailing list for company updates, sales, and discount codes. In order to join our mailing list, please be sure to check out the description bar below, click the link, and go ahead and plug in your email. Again, by joining our mailing list, you'll be the first to know about sales, company updates, and discount codes. First things first, you're gonna wanna start off with soaking wet hair. Like, go ahead and drench your hair in water. And I say this because wet hair can only absorb so much. It actually has the tendency to absorb a lot less than dry hair. Wetting your hair is going to help eliminate the chances of chlorine getting into your hair. So again, go ahead and start off with drenched hair. Get a conditioner and just put that in your hair. This conditioner is going to create a barrier which will protect your hair from the chlorine. Please make sure this conditioner is sulfate-free, paraben-free. I personally love the Treseme's moisture-rich conditioner. You can also go ahead and use an oil. Either coconut oil or olive oil will work just as well, because as we know, oil and water do not mix. However, if you're going to use oil, in my opinion, I would say to keep the swimming indoors. I say that because the oil and the heat from the sun could definitely, go to work on your hair and fry your hair. So if you are going to be using oil as opposed to conditioner, then try to swim either indoors or possibly use a swim cap. However, I know that that's not going to work in the case of having extensions. There's just too much hair and it's not going to fit underneath the swim cap. So your best bet would be to use conditioner if you were swimming outdoors. Once your hair is all soaked and you've applied the conditioner, I would recommend putting your hair into 1 to 2 tight braids or plaits. Now, if you do not prefer to do that, then that is up to you. However, that is something that I highly recommend. Now, after you've had the chance to swim, you're gonna get out and go through your regular washing process. Use a shampoo and use a conditioner. Please make sure you are using moisturizing conditioners and shampoos, sulfate-free conditioners and shampoos. This will help ensure that your hair is, moisturized and rejuvenated after a long swim of being in chlorine. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope these tips were helpful. Of course, please make sure that you are subscribed to Juicy Hair Affair on YouTube, following us on Instagram at Juicy Hair Affair, and subscribe to our mailing list. By joining our mailing list, you'll be the first to know about company updates, sales, and discount codes. As a matter of fact, we are currently giving away 20% off discount codes to those who join our mailing list. So definitely be sure to check out the description bar below, click the link, insert your email, and get your 20% off discount code. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and again, subscribe. Stay blessed and stay juicy.